All right, well, this is the moment that we have all been waiting for. Thank you for joining us here tonight. Mary J. Blige is going to take the stage in just a few short minutes.
The journey continues. Mary J. Blige.
You know what they say, right? Bad boys ain't no good, but good boys ain't no fun. Right? So that leads us to our next song. Would you please perform for us?
Absolutely.
Fresh off the AMAs. If you missed it on the AMAs, you're going to see it live here. Mr. Wrong with Mary J. Blige. Take it away, girl.
Hey, Jim. Kinda like something.
Bad boys ain't no good. Good boys ain't no fun.
We're back live in our studios with Mary J. Blige. Was that not the most amazing? You are incredible, and that's live. I mean, we are live in our studios. What an incredible week for you, too. You know, last week you dropped the new album. Tonight you dropped the new fragrance. This has been a very, I think, important week, yes?
Yesterday, the original My Life album came out, and that was the beginning of something so special that I would never take for granted. I would never forget, and I would always be true and keep my integrity to, and that is the Mary J. Blige movement.
You say things that we don't even want to admit to ourselves, you know? And for people who were with you 17 years ago, with you, and I mean talking about all of the hardships you talked about, all of it, if they're still in that place 17 years later, how is this album helping them now, 17 years later?
Well,
where will this album take us?
It's helping them because some people have not moved on or understand that they're worthy of more than a Mr. Wrong. So right there, you know, that's helping them right there by giving them, oh, wow, okay, is this what I'm doing, repeating myself?
It's the song you hear most comments about from the original My Life.
Be happy. A lot of us are stuck in areas.
We
and
are.
We all need encouragement
We
to
do.
move on, you know? And then you have the living proof that says, man, we really are strong. And that's the whole inspiration behind the My Life 2 album is when I realized how strong we are from my life to my life. I mean, it needed to be celebrated.
Yep.
It needed to be celebrated because we didn't want to live. I know I didn't want to live, you know, on the first My Life album. And it's because of those fans. When they reached out and they responded, they kept me alive. They kept me on my feet, and they kept me growing and evolving and learning.
That's why you're so
And-
special, though, Mary. And, you know, I often think, my God, I've never heard phone callers like your phone callers on the air.
I mean, it's
But it's because of you. When I think about you, and I think about you being so honest and saying, you know what, there was abuse, I didn't want to live, there were substances in my life, there were bad relationships. Those are things, I don't know about you, but, you know, you don't want to admit to yourself, let alone put it out on an album and share it with the world. If you can't admit it to yourself, how can you put it on an album? I, to this day, think that that's one of the bravest things I've ever heard. It was so honest and just, I think to myself, I don't know if I could. I honestly don't know if I could.
You know how I feel, Diane? I feel like, why did I go through all of this in vain? Or did I go through so much from 5 years old to being a woman to say, this is what I'm dealing with to just save someone else's life? I had no idea that my trials and tribulations will make 4 million people or the world, you know, not even, you know, just a lot of people say, me too. And every time I see people, they ask me questions. How did you forgive your, you know, this person that did this?
Yes.
How did you this? How did you that? Was it easy? No, it wasn't easy. And it is not easy, but it's something we have to do.
So,
Yeah.
in other words, things get better.
They get better.
They
We just
get
got to get,
better.
you know, the discomfort is always there,
Yep.
but on the other side, you know, life is peaks and valleys. In that valley is where we grow, you know, and we're growing to learn how to get up that hill and then get down another hill. And then, so it's you know, the pain is necessary, the valley is necessary to get to the triumph and the treasures.
Because we just don't know what's around the corner. That's
Exactly.
the realities. I have 2 words.
What's that?
Be happy.
Be happy.
Right.
Yes.
Be happy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, we just can't thank you enough Thank you very much
Thank
for
you,
being here.
Diane.
You are such a special lady
And
to me.
so
I
are
love you. Thank you so much
You're
for
welcome.
everything tonight.
Thank you,
Merry
Diane. You're the
Christmas.
best. Merry Christmas.
Love you, girl.
Love you
Thank
too.
you so much.
Kinda like something.
Bad boys ain't no good.